the Riemann hypothesis in 100 seconds. This is the unsolved math problem that probably mathematicians care most about. Two questions. Why do they care about it? Because resolving the Riemann hypothesis would automatically resolve a lot of other math problems that people work really hard on. Two, what is the Riemann hypothesis? You've probably seen this crazy picture or these crazy complex numbers or this critical strip where all the zeros of the zeta function lie within real part 1/2. I can't do that in 100 seconds, but I can give you proposition P, which is true if and only if the Riemann hypothesis is true. That means has the same utility and difficulty. It's basically equivalent. Proposition P says there are no super duper composite numbers. So is 6 a super duper composite number? Well, let's add up its divisors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is 12. That's pretty big. Okay, so you might know that 6 is a perfect number, meaning that its proper divisors add up to itself. 28 is also a perfect number. Are there any odd perfect numbers? Another unresolved question. Lift up any rock and you'll find one crawling around underneath. Is 7 a super duper composite number? Its divisors sum to 8, not much more than 7. Here are all the numbers on the x-axis and their sums of divisors on the y-axis. Proposition P says no point on this plot ever exceeds this curve. What is this curve? Okay, don't be afraid. H of n is just 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 to 1 over n. Log of n is basically the number of digits in n. And E is the circumference of the circle in regard to its diameter. Just kidding, that's pi. E is about 2.71, and it's how much money you'd have if you started with $1 and got 100% annual interest compounded and reinvested every gazillionth of a second. Anyway, nobody knows if any point on this plot ever exceeds this curve. Apparently, we just don't know very much about what numbers divide what other numbers. But if you can figure it out, then you'll win a $1 million prize for solving the Riemann hypothesis. If you're looking for a get-rich-slow scheme, go for it.